so that I don't look chopped every single day. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? Okay, good morning guys. Just got ready and gonna go straight to work. Actually no, I have to walk the dog first, but I'm gonna take my meds first. I always almost forget to take my Concerta, which sounds fine, but it does make such a difference in my life. Okay, I'm gonna get ready now. I kind of wanted a matcha, but I have to walk the dog and the coffee shop near me doesn't let dogs in, like even just to pick up, which is fine. But that means I can't get a matcha because I'm not gonna go on 2 walks right now. But anyway, it's like nice out and I'm wearing shorts, but if my ears get cold, I'll get a migraine, so I put on my winter hat still to protect from cold ear migraine. Oh my god, there's like trees that weren't blooming yesterday that are blooming now, and it's just such good news for me personally. I'm in a good mood today. Let's go on our dog walk and then head to work. Boyfriend and I have a dinner date planned tonight at one of my favorite restaurants in the city, so I'm excited and I'll bring you guys along for that. If you live in DC, stay tuned because I will be showing our dishes and you should go check this place out. But anyway, let's get going. Humpty, what are you angry about? Okay, we'll go that way. That's fine. Okay, I just went to therapy. I've had such a busy morning, a lot of meetings, a lot of doing new things that I haven't done before at work. And yeah, just had therapy, was able to talk through some of those anxieties, which is like, they're good things. Like I am taking on more responsibility at work. But I do feel like I'm having a bit of a hard time adjusting, I guess, with, yeah, I don't know. I'm interacting with a lot more people. And that makes me a little nervous. I'm also, like, I used to really only interact with my team and sometimes a little bit with other people, and I felt safe there. But now I'm interacting with people across my organization. I feel a little nervous in my decision-making abilities, or no, I don't feel nervous about my decision-making abilities. Like, I trust my knowledge there about what works and what doesn't work based on like my previous work. I think I'm stepping into spaces where they're using different terminology than I'm used to, and I feel like I'm getting a little lost, I guess. Everyone's been really nice and like explaining things to me, and I'm asking a lot of questions because that's how I learn, but I feel a little out of the loop, or like I'm not getting it, kind of, and I keep blaming it on my ADHD and my memory and stuff, and there's probably an element to that there, but I don't know. I'm gonna try to trust myself a bit more. My next call, I kind of have to go over some details and get some approvals on some things, and I'm a little nervous about it because I'm nervous I misinterpreted what my boss asked me, which I don't think I did, but I guess we'll see on the call if she's like interrupts and is like, let's talk about this instead, you know, but I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, back to work. Chatty, come on. We are done with work, just on our little dog walk. Our dinner reservation's at 8:30 p.m., so kind of late. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that till then. Maybe I'll watch like a YouTube documentary or something, you know? Just like a classic YouTube documentary. Anyway, it's so nice out today. I feel like half my vlogs are just me commenting on the weather. So I've got a bit of a mess in the kitchen that I need to take care of, and some Amazon packages to undo. So let's clean this all up together. Maybe while you listen to this, you could do something productive for yourself, or not, or just enjoy. I play back when it's over, the back when it's over. Hey guys, I am trying to do my hair. I don't know if you've watched my videos before, you know, you can tell that my hair is never actually done, like for real. And I'm trying to curl my hair because I'm going on a date with my boyfriend tonight. And I don't know how to curl my hair, so I don't know what I think I'm doing here. Attempts are being made. I have struggled for a long time with motivation on my appearance. And so I have really worked hard to find a way. How do people, what the hell? I really tried hard to find ways to make getting ready easier for myself so that I don't look chopped every single day. And I feel like I've found some good things, you know, that I've shared with this channel, just because it's not a priority to me sometimes, like doing my hair and doing my makeup. But I've found ways that like I can feel like I look put together. That doesn't look bad, does it? Y'all can lie to me. That make me feel like I feel put together, or I look put together, even though they're like kind of low effort stuff, including my uniforms that I've mentioned in previous videos. Like I find getting dressed pretty stressful, and I don't like a lot of fabrics. I have sensory issues, and like the way a jean falls on my body, like jeans, sometimes like I can't stop thinking about it and it like feels strange and I don't like it. Or I don't like certain fabrics and I just like feel uncomfortable. And before I got diagnosed with ADHD, I didn't know what it was, and I thought I was just being dramatic and like I was always uncomfortable and I couldn't place it. But once I like learned about sensory issues, it all made sense, and I was like, oh, I have sensory issues and this specific fabric is bothering me and I can do something to fix it, including not wearing that fabric anymore or sticking only to fabrics that I know I like. And so that's what I've done. So basically I have like a winter uniform and a summer uniform. And why doesn't this stay up here? Stay over here. And it's made getting dressed a lot easier. Like my winter uniform is these Fabletics Heather flare leggings. I have like 5 of them or 6 of them or something. And then just black long sleeve tops from Target. And I have them lined up in my dresser, just like leggings and a top and socks. And every morning I wake up and I pull it out, and it's like darkish colors, so it kind of like just matches and it looks good, you know? And then my summer uniform is these, maybe I should have tried with less hair, but then it takes too long, you know? Anyway, and so my summer uniform, which I whipped out already and it's like ready for me because like it's finally getting warm, is these little skirts I got from Target in black or white, and these little workout tops from Target, and or I'll wear like a t-shirt like this, a big t-shirt, and some like workout shorts, gym shorts from Fabletics. And I found that like I always look put together with these outfits because they match and they like fit me well, and I don't have to worry about getting dressed that day. As well as I always wear jewelry now, so I always have like bracelets on and earrings on and a necklace on, and I just feel like, and rings, having jewelry that I'm wearing all the time makes me feel more put together. These are all pieces I've invested in and saved up for, because I used to have jewelry that was like sterling silver and gold plated or whatever, and I would take it off to wash my hands or whatever, because you're not supposed to wash your hands, and then I just wouldn't put it back on. And because like that felt like too much for me, which is insane and very lazy, but I don't know what to tell y'all, you know? How do I make this? What if I burn my hair off like in those YouTube videos, those TikTok videos? That would be very stressful. I don't want to do the rest of my hair. I don't want to do it. Oh my God, what am I gonna do? Should I give up? No, I can't give up now. I started, right? Okay, but anyway, so this is crazy. How do people do this? I'm so bored. Okay, I'm just gonna keep yapping, honestly. Maybe that'll distract me. And so the gold jewelry, I've invested in these pieces and I never take them off because they're so like they're 14 karat gold and not like gold plated or even gold vermeil. I just keep them on all the time and I never take them off, and so I just always have that little thing that makes me feel a little bit more put together, which is having jewelry on. So with my matching outfit, my jewelry every day, and sometimes I'll put a little bit of concealer on and curl my lashes, I feel like I look presentable, even though I struggle with doing that in the morning. I feel like as someone with like chronic illness and issues I've talked about over time, like depression and anxiety and things that have been a little like debilitating and have caused me to not really focus on my appearance sometimes. I found that like these little few things that I could do, they like kind of saved me a little bit in making me feel put together when I might not have felt well enough to spend a lot of time trying to make myself look put together, if that makes sense. If y'all have any other like tips like that I don't know, help you, feel free to share them in the comments below. I feel like there's probably a big chunk of my hair missing. Oh my god. Y'all, what am I gonna do? Okay, this is the fit. I think this is House of Harlow. I got it from TJ Maxx. I don't know where this is, but I got it from Fashion Pass. Shoes are Charles & Keith. Let's go. Okay, so we went to eat at Bresca, which is a one Michelin star restaurant here in DC. It was so good. They started off with these little kombuchas, just like a little gift upon arrival, which was delicious. The bathroom decor is very cute. Anyway, just a little bathroom shot, of course. I don't drink, and my boyfriend's not drinking a lot right now either, so we both had mocktails. And then this was the first dish. I guess there was like a brioche bun that was really good. We had some oysters and some caviar, which was really good. I don't get to have that often, but yeah. Anyway, the starters were delicious. Then we had this green tomato and burrata salad, and then a hamachi crudo. I love hamachi. This place is great. The rest of the dishes were, of course, delicious. I think that the menu this time was like a little bit over $100 prefix. Obviously, this is like a special date night dinner. Not quite typical, but so good.